With TikTok potentially getting banned in the US, I'm going to take all my powerful websites that you should know from TikTok and post them onto YouTube. Now this video is going to show off parts 101 through 125, but if you want to see more of them, just click on the playlist. Also, you can consider becoming a Patreon supporter, in which case you would get access to multiple lists of my Websites to Cure Boredom series, Powerful Website series, Chrome extensions, and plenty of other things. So without further ado, let's get into the websites. Powerful websites you should know, part 101. If you're ever watching a YouTube video and want to download it, just click in the URL up top after the word YouTube, then type in 5 and S and hit enter. It'll take you to this website and just hit get link, download. And now we have our downloaded video. What a handsome man. Powerful websites you should know, part 102. Did you know if you go to this website and then type in a company's name or stock, I'm going to go with Tesla. Then you can find out what politicians bought the stock, if there's ever insider trading, Wall Street bet mentions, corporate flights, and even government contracts. Powerful websites you should know, part 103. Did you know if you go to this website, you can take thousands of free courses from big colleges like Harvard and MIT. I'm going to search for computer science, then just click on a course that you want to take. And now we're going to enroll. Powerful websites you should know, part 104. Did you know if you go to this website, you can type in a username or domain name and hit search, and it'll tell you all the domains that are available and if that username is available on any of these social media websites. Powerful websites you should know, part 105. Did you know if you search for this on Google and click the first link, you can go through recommendations on what you should make for dinner, and if you don't like it, click this. And when you find something you like, click on it, and it'll take you to the recipe. Powerful websites you should know, part 106. Did you know if you go to this website, you can type in a website that you have an account on. We're going to do Facebook and hit search. And it'll tell you all the steps that you need to do to cancel your account. Powerful websites you should know, part 107. Have you ever had a picture ruined by something unfunny or just want to remove your least favorite child? Just go to this website. Then you can upload your photo and now just color in what you want to remove. Get rid of this child. And there's the original, and here's what you get. Powerful websites you should know, part 108. Did you know if you go to this website, you can use its plagiarism checker and this tool? I didn't tell you about it though. Then from here you can copy an article or an essay and paste it in the website and hit rewrite, and it'll rewrite your entire article for you. Powerful websites you should know, part 109. Did you know if you type this in Google and click the first link, you can type in your hospital or physician's name. Let's go with Dr. Oz. And it'll tell you all the payments he received over the years. 1.1 million for being a speaker. Powerful websites you should know, part 110. Did you know if you go to this website, you can search for one of your school textbooks in the search bar? Let's go with this one. Then you can pick a chapter that you're on and a problem from that chapter you need to solve. And it will give you the step-by-step solution to solve that problem. Powerful websites you should know, part 111. Did you know if you go to this website, you can type in a job you're trying to find? We'll go with marketing. And it'll display tons of remote jobs that you can do working from home. Powerful websites you should know, part 112. If you're ever out in public with no internet, just go to this website, then type in the city that you're at, my. It'll give you a list of public Wi-Fis that you can connect to, and if you click on one, you can even get the app to show the password. Powerful websites you should know, part 113. Did you know if you go to this website, you can search for your school, class, or professor? We're going to go with Stanford. And you'll find tons of study documents for that school, including past assignments and exams. Powerful websites you should know, part 114. Did you know if you go to this website, you can find hundreds of at-home printable workouts like the Keyboard Warrior, the Squid Gamer, and my favorite, the Vegeta. There's your workout. Go turn Super Saiyan. Powerful websites you should know, part 115. Did you know if you go to this website, you can upload an image of a person to the website? I'm going to use this handsome guy. And it will use facial recognition to find other pictures around the internet with that person in it. Wait a second, that's not me. Powerful websites you should know, part 116. Did you know if you go to this website, you can type the name of a PC game in the search bar? Let's go with Minecraft and hit this button, and it'll check your PC's hardware and let you know if you can run that game. Half websites you should know, part 117. Did you know if you go to this website, you can type the name of a course that you have in the search bar, let's go with physics, and hit enter. And it'll give you tons of printable cheat sheets for that course. Just click on one, and now I have a PDF of all the formulas. Powerful websites you should know, part 118. Did you know if you go to this website and type in the name of a company, we'll go with Pfizer, and hit search. You can see all the fines and violations they were charged with over the years. $2.3 billion for unapproved promotion of products. Powerful websites you should know, part 119. If you go to this website, you can upload one of your kids' drawings or your drawings. I'm gonna go with this cool one. Then you can pick through all these cool animations. Just click on one, and it will animate your drawing. This is actually Jake Paul's next opponent. Powerful websites you should know, part 120. Did you know if you go to this website and then pick from one of these hundreds of characters, I'm gonna go with Yode. You can type in what you want the character to say and hit synthesize, and then click play.
Hello TikTok, like and share your must.
Powerful websites you should know, part 121. Let's be honest, we all ignore the TOS on websites, but if you go to this website and type in the name of a service, we're gonna go with Facebook. It'll give their terms of service a privacy grade and tell you all the things that are wrong with it. That's terrible. Powerful websites you should know, part 122. If you ever have a deadline you're gonna miss for a project or an assignment, then you can go to this website and upload your unfinished assignment to the website and hit corrupt. And now you can turn in your corrupted file to your teacher or boss to get you some more time. Powerful websites you should know, part 125. Did you know if you go to this website, you can actually get real human customer support at a company? We're gonna go with Apple. It'll give you the number that you should call and the current wait time, but if you don't feel like waiting, click this button. And this website will hold your call for you and call you back when they're ready. Powerful websites you should know, part 124. Did you know if you search for this on Google and click the first link, it'll give you a massive list of free certificates that you can get from different companies like Microsoft, LinkedIn, but I think I'm gonna take this Google Cloud Computing one. Let's go. Powerful websites you should know, part 125. Did you know if you go to this website, you can actually copy an essay that you wrote, and then you can paste it on the website, and it'll tell you how readable your essay is and everything that's wrong with it so you can make it more gooder. This AI will turn your bad drawing into art. All you have to do is go here, then pick what you want to add to your drawing. I'm gonna add some water. Let's add a little bit of sand, a mountain, and some rocks. And when you're done, just click this button right here and the AI will automatically generate art based on your drawing.